Welcome, fam. Waking up sore, foggy, or just off? That heaviness doesn't just live in your body, it lingers in your mood. But what if 5 minutes could flip the whole tone of your day? Let's hit the mat. Start low, start open. This is where tension in the shoulders and spine begins to melt. Before you even sit up straight, calm to all fours. Keep your hips stacked over your knees as you walk your hands forward. Melt your chest toward the mat. Forehead or chin, rest down. Relax your fingers wide. You're going to feel a gentle stretch across the shoulders, spine, and upper back. Hips anchored, heart open. This opens the front body and resets your breathing pattern, so your nervous system isn't firing on high alert all day. You're unlocking your spine now, but the hips are next. They store more stress than you think. Inhale, then exhale, and reach 1 inch further. 5 more seconds. Are your ribs expanding like wings? That's your breath doing its job. That just unlocked your back. Now let's loosen up your hips. This one gets deep, fast, because most people try to power through the day with locked up hips. But here, you're setting yourself free. Lie on your back, across your right ankle over your left thigh, making a 4 shape. Reach behind your left thigh and gently pull it in. Flex the right foot to protect the knee. You're going to feel a deep stretch in the right hip and glute. Some resistance, and then release. Tight hips affect your lower back, digestion, and even how well you walk or stand today. Hip tightness is often linked to emotional tension. This isn't just physical. Close your eyes, breathe through the hold. Last 5 seconds. Are you resisting the stretch or sinking into it? That just unlocked the right hip. Let's balance the other side with something more centered. Now we're hugging tension out of the body. This pose reminds your nervous system you're safe. You're here. Sit tall with legs extended. Hug your right knee into your chest. Keep the spine tall. Don't round the shoulders. Switch at 30 seconds. You're going to feel a stretch in the glute, hip, and lower back. A gentle compression that tells your body to release. Compression resets the fascia around the hips and spine. It's like wringing out stress. You're calming your core now. Next, we open the entire front body. Can you sit up 1 inch taller and hold the squeeze for 5? Does your breath feel more fluid on this side? That just grounded your spine. Now let's take it to the floor and let go completely. This is the reset your hips didn't know they needed. Let gravity do the work. You just breathe. Lie on your back, bring the soles of your feet together, knees falling open. Place your hands on your knees or by your sides. You're going to feel a wide opening across the hips and groin. Breath flowing deeper, slower. This stimulates your parasympathetic nervous system, the one that heals, repairs, and restores. Just 60 seconds here can lower cortisol levels, your stress hormone. Let your knees fall just 1 inch lower. Feel the pull. Hold it. Can you feel your inhale filling both hands? That just unlocked your base. Now let's rise up and complete the flow. This is your victory lap. A final flush for the hamstrings, spine, and nervous system. Stand tall, then fold at the hips. Soften your knees if needed. Let your arms hang. Nod yes and shake no to release the neck. You're going to feel the stretch through the hamstrings, calves, lower back. Your breath finding length from the ground up. This resets spinal fluid, decompresses the discs, and improves blood flow to the brain. Tomorrow we activate, but today you honored your foundation. Can you hold 1 inch deeper without forcing? Can you feel the tension dripping down out of your fingertips? That just cleared your chain, top to bottom. You just gave your body 5 minutes of space, control, and breath. But tension doesn't just live in your muscles and joints, it lives in your mind, it shows up in your habits, it drains your energy even when you sleep 8 hours. When you're burned out, stuck in survival mode, or striving without rest, you don't need a harder plan, you need a reset that nourishes your body, clears your mind, and centers your spirit. That's what the 3-day reset is built for. Daily stretch flows that reconnect you to your body, scripture-plus mindset shifts that clear mental fog, a Bible-based nutrition guide that fuels energy without obsession. It's your full body rhythm reboot, rooted in truth, not trends. If you've been running on empty, this is how you come back stronger. Tap the link in the description or pinned comment to start your free 3-day reset now. Because the goal isn't just progress, it's peace that lasts.